Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2020 Cadillac XT6 Premium Luxury. So, based on the same platform as the Chevy Traverse and the Buick Enclave, the XT6 uses GM's 9-speed automatic, made it to the 3.6 liter V6, which is a sweetheart of a motor. That's it, yep. Hood's open, yeah. I haven't popped the hood on this thing yet, so not fully detailed, but close enough. Not bad at all. Variable valve timing. I do love the looks of this thing. It does look very, very good. This one is optioned with the second row captain's chairs. You do have 2 seats in the back as well. Nice panoramic sunroof. Heated seats in the rear. At night, there is a LED light bar that illuminates all the way around this. Looks absolutely gorgeous. Heated, cooled seats up here in the front. Very nice, high quality leather. This also has the optional Bose 14 speaker Performance Series audio. So you have a bunch of different apps, settings, your main screen here, Apple CarPlay, My Cadillac. You have Spotify, Alexa. Hey Alexa! I don't think it's activated. I just wanted to try it. Navigation, of course. But without further ado, your backup camera. A couple different drive modes: off-road, tour, all-wheel drive. Sport, we'll be driving in Sport. Let's go for a drive. Spent the night in this, very, very comfortable. Drove it home from work. Comfortable car again. Could definitely do long journeys in this. 9-speed automatic. I've used it multiple times now, and I always find a very cool gimmick that I'll get into once we get to the handling section. And this one's even a little bit more special. So, in normal automatic mode, the car is going to automatically upshift at 6,500 RPM. Look at the gauge, it's an indicated red line at 7,000. With this 3.6 liter V6, it sounds great. So, when you're having fun on a back road, you want to really have some fun with it. You have paddles behind the wheel. That's the only way you can get it to shift at 7, and it won't automatically upshift either. So that shifted at 6,500. You also have the GM Performance Activated Lift Foot. So when you stab the gas, it's gonna put the transmission into the sportiest setting possible. It's gonna hold gears as long as possible. So it's a kind of a hidden performance mode. Put it into manual. And I'll show you one of the very interesting aspects of the 9-speed. Right there. So if you notice, second and third gear are essentially the exact same ratio. So for example, I'll bring second to 4,000. And third is like 3,800. I know there's probably a purpose for it, but I'm not sure what it is. You'll also notice this has essentially torque vectoring, but it's by brakes. So when you're on the throttle in a corner, you'll feel the front end kind of pull itself around. You'll feel that inside brake grabbing. It's just pretty cool that they're using torque vectoring to make this handle very well. And it does handle very well. I'm definitely impressed with it. I'm a fan of the 3.6, so. On one hand, I do wish they made an XT6V with twin turbos on this engine. That would be a sweetheart. Yeah, I'm a fan of this thing. I was like, it's either gonna be good, bad, or just meh. It's fun. I like it. It's definitely, you know, like I said, I'm a fan of the 3.6. The 9-speed is fun. I can't complain about it. Definitely plenty of luxury. The sound system is great. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.